Welcome again to ragurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to extract all project rules which is available in our Jira instance. So here we'll see in detail. If we want to extract project rules, which means getting a list of project roles, complete the project role details and default actors. Project rules are a flexible way to associate users and group with the projects. In Jira Cloud, the list of project roles is shared globally with all projects, but each project can have a different set of actors associated with it. Project rules are used in a permission scheme where we can perform this activity through administrator login credentials. So if you want to know in detail, please watch complete video. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So performing this activity, you need to have the any REST API application through which we can do this action. Here we need to define our domain name. Post that we are going to define here as a REST, then / API 2, and then we need to write the rule method. I am going to use same method, that is get, and once I will click on save, I will get all my project rules which is available inside my credentials. Now here you can see whatever rule is available inside my Jira instance. You can see all of the rules with the descriptions, with the ID, scope, and the project associated with it. So this is very simple enough where we want to extract the person detail through Jira REST API. And if I'm doing this activity, I can get it in bulk. Now, if I want to see the detail about this project ID, or sorry, this role ID, then simply I will write here / and then the ID, and then click on send. I will get the ID related contains, like I want to search only specific to this ID, then I will get the detail about 1005, and this person is associated with which project. I can see it here. So this is how we can extract the role related information in Jira through REST API. That's all about this video. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this session, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.